All right, guys, welcome back. We're going to get ready for your number talk today. So I want you to be able to see what's on the screen, and you might even need a piece of paper or a marker board. So pause the video if you need to, get what you need, but let's get started. The first thing I want us to look at is it true? And that's what we're going to be looking at today. We're looking at long equations. And equations are just fancy words for number sentences. You know that. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to look for things. We know that the equal sign means the same as. Good job. We know that this sign means greater than, and this sign means less than. So whenever you're looking at an equation, I notice that the one on the screen does not have an equal sign. What it does have, though, is a symbol. So the equation says 241 plus 10 is greater than 284 minus 10. So here's what I want you to know. When you see these equations, you are going to, or inequalities, whatever you want to call them, you are going to find that symbol. There it is. And what you're doing is you're going to look at everything up until that point, and you're going to compare it with everything after that symbol. So I want you to tell me what you know about 241 plus 10. Now, that's what we did the other day. If you take 241, okay, that 10 is just one 10. So what place value is going to change? The tens place. What's it going to change to? Instead of 4 tens, now you're going to have 5 tens. Very good. Okay, look at the other side. The number is 284. It says minus 10. So if I minus 10 or subtract 10, what place value is changing? The tens place. Is it going up or down? It's going down because we're subtracting. How much is it going down? Just 1 10 instead of 8 tens. Now we only have 7 tens. Is that what you got? Awesome job. Now the only thing we have to do is put this back in there. Greater than. Is 251 greater or bigger than 274? No way. This sentence, or this number equation, that means that 241 plus 10 is also not greater. It is less than 284 minus 10, because we found what this side equaled and we found what this side equaled, and then we compared them using the symbol. So, boys and girls, is that one true? No, it's not. That one would be false. Very good. Okay, clear your board if you have a board or move to a new section. Let's do another one. Our last one for today. Okay, this one, does it have a greater than sign? No. Does it have a less than sign? No. Does it have an equal sign? It sure does. So let's look at that. 642 plus 10, oh, that's just 1 10, is equal, which means what? What's equal mean? The same as 662 minus 10. Okay, let's look at them. So remember, you find your equal sign and you look at everything up until that point, and then you compare it. Is it the same as everything after this one? So we're looking at this, and it says 642 plus 10. Oh, we've done plus 10 and minus 10. So what place value is changing? The tens place. Right, so whenever we add 10 more, instead of it being 4 tens, now it's going to be 5 tens. Good. Solve this side on your own. Tell me what you came up with. How'd you get your answer? I hope you notice that minus 10, ooh, just the tens place is changing, and it's going to go down 1 10. So instead of 62, we're going to have 52, 652. So it wants to know, our symbol said equals or the same. Is 652 the same as 652? You bet it is. So even though they wrote different equations, 642 plus 10 is equal to or the same as 662 minus 10. So they're the same as. I just wanted you to see some equations and number sentences that you were having to do figure out whether they were true or not, because you might be seeing those, especially as you get older. So good job. You guys are getting so smart, and I will see you soon.